welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Mina, and for today's video we'll be doing this foxy eye look that's been going around, and it is a trend as of right now, or I don't know if it's still gone or if it's still on, but anyways, half of my side already done. We'll go ahead and work on this side, and I've already done my foundation, eyebrows, lipstick, contouring and everything, and blush, so I'll be just focusing on my eye. You need a tape and some few eyeshadow brushes. I've had these for a long time, but I think I got them, most of them from Amazon, like this one, this one, this one, and this one. But these two are from Wet n Wild, and this one is from Elizabeth Arden. A tape which is this long, and you want to go ahead and, well, I want to make sure that I'll get the same. Oh, I got lipstick here. Just like this. Pretty good. Now for the first coat of eyeshadow, and I'll be using this brush. And you can use any kind of brush as long as it's similar to this. But I like this brush because it blends the eyeshadow really good. So the first color I'll be using is this, and just blend it out. The Wet n Wild brush, this one. You're gonna blend in the same direction, but in a lower part, like in a medium part of your lid. And we'll go with this color, a little bit darker. Concentrate on having it going upward so we can get that sharp, and blend it into your eyelid. I'll be grabbing this brush and a little bit of my foundation on it. And then I don't want to grab too much, just a little bit, just because I don't have my concealer with me right now. Yeah. Brush, and it's pretty flat, and I will be using this glitter. We'll go ahead and grab the L'Oreal liquid liner with this thin brush. Lastly, just go ahead and take out the tape. Go ahead and go with the silver liquid liner and just line. And then now we'll go ahead and apply our falsies. This is the final look once your glue dries up. Honestly, I was so scared to try this look because I was like, this is too much, especially with these kind of lashes. I've never tried them before, and it's like very dramatic.